Why would you do that?
It's a video.
Huh?
It's a video.
It's a video?
Yeah.
No!
Right now we are swimming, and I got out because I was bored, and I'm swimming tonight. And this is what's going on. And he's over there coughing. Choking? Peekaboo.
Hi, what's up?
What's going on? Are you guys
What was
having?
that?
Are you guys having?
my bathing suit.
Are you guys having fun?
Watch.
We are gonna watch Jess take a jump. Here, record this. I'm gonna jump.
Hold on. That's it. 360. 360. Is the recording?
Yes, it's recording. It was on my wrist.
We didn't drop your camera.
Ready? Jess, catch me. Alright. Hey, ready for this?
With Bella.
Come jump with me. Wait for me to get up there too. Ready? Wait, you're gonna catch us. No, I'm not. 1,
We're gonna go really far. Let's go. What'd you think about that?
Shit. That was shit. Hey, that was brutal. Brutal boss. Look at Ben over there in the chair. Look at Ben. Come up here.
Hi, Ben.
Yeah. Here. Come on, let's be brutal. Brutal. Hey.
Brutal bosses,
Hey,
right here.
Be brutal. Let's do it. Keep running. Start. Ready?
Wait, let's go over there so we can. Are you coming?
Yeah. Why are we going in the shower?
1, 2, 3.
Oh my god, I hit my legs so hard. Look at the freaking waves.
I know. Trey. Hey, Trey. Did I hit you?
No, but when I pee on my leg and then spit it at you with my foot. Oh, I'm peeing on my leg right now. Here it comes. Oh, look at all that pee. Hey, I have your camera. Who has the camera?
Turn the thing around and get your crazy hair.
Oh my gosh.
We see.
Oh, you're getting me wet.
Hey.
What?
We should have got him.
What are you getting? Ouch, this is hot pavement. Wait, look.
Never mind.
That's not gonna work. I was gonna write my name. Write my name with the water.
Ready?
I'm gonna turn it off.